Hello, viewers. Welcome back to another insightful episode on Ebony People TV, where we break down the latest and greatest news from across the Southeast. Okay, today we are diving into the top 5 highest budgets proposed for the 2025 fiscal year by governors in the Southeast, complete with a breakdown of their priorities and plans. We all deserve to know what the Southeastern States budget for 2025 is and what these governors intend to do with all of this money they've been presenting, right? Okay, let's get into it. Taking the crown for the highest budget in the Southeast is none other than Enugu State. With a whooping 971 billion naira, Governor Peter Mba labeled it the budget of exponential growth and inclusive prosperity while presenting it to the State House of Assembly. Here's the breakdown. 1. Capital expenditure, he said, is 86% of the whole money, which is 837.9 billion naira, while recurrent expenditure, 133.1 billion naira, which is 14% of the whole money. The governor aims to elevate Enugu's economy to one of the top 3 in Nigeria by GDP. Major allocations include 320.6 billion naira for education and increased investment in health, infrastructure, and internally generated revenue. Fun fact, their IGR skyrocketed by 286% from 37.4 billion naira in 2023 to 144.7 billion naira by September 2024. This is indeed massive. Okay, coming in second is Imo State with a proposed budget of 756 billion naira. Governor Hope Uzodinma called it the budget of expanded economic opportunities, and the key allocations include capital expenditure of 643.3 billion naira and recurrent expenditure of 112.3 billion naira. The governor of Imo State emphasized completing ongoing infrastructure projects, expanding road networks, boosting agriculture, and improving healthcare access. With this budget, Imo is poised to tackle development head-on. Next up, we have Abia State, where Governor Dr. Alex Oti unveiled a whooping 750 billion naira, which he tagged budget of sustained momentum. Here's how it's structured. Capital expenditure of 611.7 billion, while recurrent expenditure is 138.6 billion. Abia plans to set up agro-industrial zones, construct 170 kilometers of rural roads, and revamp the Umahia Regional Water Scheme. Education and health also got significant chunks also. With a combined allocation of 35%, Governor Alex Oti is determined to meet the expectations of Abians and has projected a 213% rise in IGR to 100.6 billion naira. At number 4 is Anambra State, where Governor Prof. Chukwuma Soludo presented a whooping 607 billion naira draft budget titled Changing Gears 2.0. The breakdown is as follows. Capital expenditure 467.5 billion naira, while the recurrent expenditure is 139.5 billion naira. This budget focuses on accelerating ongoing projects and maintaining fiscal discipline. The governor highlighted a target to fund deficit through revenue growth without borrowing, staying consistent with the state's 2024 strategy. Okay, finally we have Ebonyi State with a proposed budget of 396.59 billion. Governor Francis Winfuru named it the budget of economic and social development, and the key highlights include education 7.14 billion naira, health 39.01 billion naira, economic and social sectors 200.13 billion naira. Governor Francis Winfuru is focusing on industrialization, technology-driven education, and infrastructure improvements. The reforms in basic and secondary education aim to prepare students with entrepreneurial and tech skills for self-reliance. Okay, so there you have it, the top 5 budgets in the Southeast for 2025. Each state has its priorities, from fostering economic growth to improving healthcare and education. What do you think about these budgets? Which state do you feel has the most ambitious plan for 2025 so far? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ebony People TV for more updates. See you in our next video.